presentations or YouTube videos whilst you're stuck puzzling over unfathomable technology? Do you wish you could just turn your equipment on, press a button and go, rather than struggling with incomprehensible settings every single time you boot up your computer? Then you need to pay very close attention to this. Hi there. My name's Steve Mellor, and I'm a content creator and founder of the Marketing Toolshed. And if you've ever struggled with creating video, either in front or behind the camera, well, then I can relate, because I used to create corporate videos for companies. And I've worked with many business owners over the years who know that they need to embrace video, but they just couldn't get to grips with it. And I've been there myself. You see, I always wanted to make films. But before I discovered these simple secrets, I created some truly horrible videos, even though I was using thousands of dollars of professional recording equipment to do it. I knew that there was something that I was missing, but I didn't know how simple the solution would be. In 2020, video usage grew massively as every single business moved from face-to-face meetings to online. Everybody and their cat was on Zoom, and suddenly you had to be on Zoom to compete. Video marketing jumped as well, with 60% of businesses using video to promote their products. In an industry like internet marketing, I would be willing to bet that that's more like 90%. How many sales pages have you seen without a video? Let's face it. 36% of marketers who use video make at least one video a week. I'm in that situation right now, running a YouTube channel. 14% of marketers make a video every single day, and this is clearly working for them because 94% of marketers who started out using video plan to continue. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can achieve these same results. You're going to discover why you can't get away with dodgy-looking videos in the same way that established marketers can. And finally, I'll show you exactly how you can use video as a tool to boost your credibility, your sales, and your overall income. The information in here probably won't be around forever, so if you don't want to watch this now, well, you may miss out. If you thought making videos now was difficult, think about it like this. 13-year-old kids in their basements are using the same equipment as you are, but they're getting better, more professional results, and they're doing it for free. They're not using that video to sell their services or to host business meetings, and quite frankly, the fact that we don't know how to do this stuff is embarrassing. It's only going to get worse as these kids enter the marketplace, and that's why I created Webcam Advantage. Because ordinary people like you and me who just want to run their business online are being sidelined by YouTubers and Twitch streams. I want to give you the tools that make creating good quality videos painless, something that's going to break down the barriers that you have about being on camera and give you the confidence to succeed, knowing that you're always going to look your best. With Webcam Advantage, you can go from a complete novice to a webcam professional in 7 simple steps. You're going to learn how to set up your camera to get the best results, the simple to understand lighting process that boosts your image quality in a heartbeat, how to get better quality sound that isn't going to make your clients' ears bleed, the best settings, the ones that I use as a Twitch partner and a YouTuber to set up recordings and streams for the very best results. Most importantly, you'll understand why these settings matter, and you'll be able to make informed decisions if your circumstances change. You're going to gain confidence in using your equipment, confidence that's going to get passed on into the way that you talk to the camera and present your videos. You're going to save yourself time, money, and frustration by knowing exactly what kit you need and what kit you don't, and exactly how to set that up. Just click the button below and start your journey to creating the sorts of videos that will wow your clients. But there's more to it than that as well. As a valued customer, you're also going to get my guide to being comfortable on camera. This is information that I've taught to real-world business owners over the years to help break their fears of appearing on camera. You'll also learn a simple method that I've used many times that means you can record a video in 10 minutes. And then it's ready to be put out straight away. I'm also going to show you how you can conduct a professional video interview, the kind that so many YouTube channels rely on for clicks and views. This is going to be supported by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, usually I teach this live, and I've been paid over $1,000 a session to go over this face-to-face in the past. Of course, you're not going to have to pay anything like that for an online course. But the price of this offer is going to jump to $197 after launch. But I have a really spectacular launch discount for you today. For a limited time, you can pick up Webcam Advantage for just $29 and get grandfathered into any changes that I make in the future. But this isn't going to be available forever, and I don't think I'll be offering it at this price again anytime soon. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get professional help and develop a skill that is going to stick with you throughout your whole business career. If you want to learn the most valuable skill in business right now, this is the time to take action.